Today I'm going to show you how I blow dry my hair with one of the best blow dryers for natural curly hair. So I'm starting out with freshly washed hair and it's still about 85% wet. I'm gonna first show you how I prep my hair and then I'm gonna show you the blow dryer itself. So I'm going to put my hair into smaller sections and then I'm going to take the HSI Argan Oil Thermal Heat Protectant Spray. This spray is also a leave-in conditioner. And then I'm also going to take the Smooth Blow Dry Anti-Frizz Cream from Garnier Fructis. It is a heat protectant as well. And I'm just going to apply a generous amount of that on this section of hair. Next, for the star of the show, it is the Revlon one-step blow dryer. I got this blow dryer for only $40 on Amazon and it has been a game changer for my hair because it blow dries my hair as well as detangles it in one step, hence the name, and it makes styling my hair and blow dried hairstyles super easy and it saves me so much time. There are 3 settings for this blow dryer: high, low, and cool, and here I'll be using the low heat setting. And once this section is completely dry, I will braid it to help keep it out of the way. And then I will just repeat this same process on the next section of hair. Each section only takes about 5 minutes or less when using the low heat setting. So there's really no need to turn it up on high unless you are really in a rush. I haven't experienced any heat damage with this tool and I have been using it for quite some time. And I find that the teeth on this brush are actually really flexible, so it's not going to snag on your hair and it just glides straight through without any pulling. But as with any tool, of course you want to be careful and take your time. There's no need to rush when you are doing your hair. Just be gentle with it and you shouldn't see any hair damage. I love how big the paddle is on this brush because you can get big sections of hair, but you could also get really close to the roots, and that just helps each section to come out really smooth. You want to make sure that you get your hair all the way dry, especially in the middle, because if you don't allow it to dry fully, it's going to mat up and tangle, and of course you don't want that. So you want to make sure that it gets dry all the way through, and you do this by combing your hair in all directions. So comb it from the back, the front, and the sides, just to make sure that it is smooth and dry all the way. Next, I'm going to take down my braids to show you guys the final results. This actually would have been a cute braid out if I had braided it with a little product to help hold it, but since I didn't, these little waves won't last very long. that is it. It only takes about 15 to 20 minutes for me to blow dry my hair all the way through. And from here you can flat iron your hair or do fluffy braid outs, twist outs, or whatever style you want to do. And this blow dryer just helps you save so much time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.